I'm Barista Xarapias, and I'm here to make a signature mojito which comprises of hints of lemon, hints of ginger. It has tangerine, pineapple juice, soda water, mint leaves, and ice cubes. So please enjoy the presentation. So the only difference of this mojito is that we shall present it in a cutlet, which is like our glass, given the fact that it also has a base of pineapple juice within. And we shall use a shaker to mix the different ingredients so that they are connected together and they give us a brilliant taste. Half a tot of some ingredients, and the base I think will be there. And salad greens, and then we have some ingredients. I have to shake it. One ingredient there. Then of course we top up with soda water.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.